Okay, guys, welcome to the inside of my webinar, the fastest way to start making money online working from home. So, guys, maybe you can hear the wind blowing just outside my window. I have the window wide open, guys. It's about, I don't know, 12:30 a.m. On a Tuesday morning now, right? Here on the East Coast in Gatesburg, Maryland, guys. I'm so super pumped and super excited. I can't even go to sleep, right? I'm not gonna go to sleep before I actually finish this actual webinar. And so the webinar is going to be edited, guys. It's a lot longer than what you guys are seeing, but I'm editing it out so you guys can only get the best of this webinar. And the takeaway with this webinar, guys, is what you're going to be able to take away from the webinar is you can go out and do what I'm showing you to do, guys. And there are two ways you can do it. You can do it the easy way, right? Or you can do it the hard way, a way that's more involved. But the fact is, when you finish going through this webinar, you'll know exactly what you can do, guys, and you will know exactly what the fastest way to start making money online working from home is. So, guys, let's do this. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of the actual webinar, the fastest way to make money online, let's talk about a couple of facts, guys. Facts are fast, accurate, concise truth that you need to understand. Fact number one, guys, each and every single day, 200,000 brand new people come online searching for a way to make money online or to start their own business. I'm going to read that over again, guys. Fact number one, each and every single day, 200,000 plus actually brand new people come online searching for a way to make money online or to actually start their own business. Fact number two, if you can help enough people get what it is they want in life, guys, you can get what it is you want in life. It's true. And the sooner you come to terms with the fact that in order to make money online, you need to be able to solve problems, guys. The faster you can start making money online when you know how to solve problems. And that's exactly what we're going to be diving into in my webinar, the fastest ways to start making money online. So hold on to your seatbelts, guys, because we're getting ready to get started.